Hello friends, welcome to lesson 56 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Let's get this party started. We are going to need finger number 2 on string number 4, fret number 2, and finger number 3 on string number 5, fret number 3. We are also going to need open third string. The right hand is going to play middle finger on the third string, index on the fourth, thumb on the fifth, and then index on the fourth again. Let's say that again. M, I, P, I. Measure number 2, we are going to need finger 3 on string number 4, fret number 3, and finger 2 on string number 5, fret number 2. We're also going to start this measure with the open third string with the middle finger. So it's middle finger on the third string for the G, index on the fourth string for the F, and the thumb on the fifth string to play the B. Again, the index on the fourth string to play that F again. To move into measure number 3, we're going to keep finger 3 right where we have it. We are going to remove finger 2. And then the right hand is going to play strings number 2, 3, 4, and 3 again. That's middle finger for the second, index finger for the third, thumb for the fourth, and index again for the third. Then we go into measure number 4. We add finger 2 on string number 4, fret number 2. We remove finger 3 and we play string number 4 and string number 1 at the same time with thumb and ring finger. Then we add finger 1 on string number 2, fret number 1, and we play simultaneously strings number 2 and 3. That was with middle finger and index finger. Measure number 5 is exactly the same as measure number 1. We go back to finger 2 on string number 4, fret number 2, finger 3 on string number 5, fret number 3, and we start with the open third string with the middle finger. That is middle finger, index, thumb, index again. M, I, P, I. Measure 6 uses only open strings. That is going to be second, third, fourth, third. Middle, index, thumb, index. That's B, G, D, G. Measure number 7, we bring finger 1 to string 2, fret number 1, finger 2, string 3, fret 2, and we are going to use open fourth string as well. Middle finger plays the second, index the third, thumb the fourth, and index the third again. That was M, I, P, I. And the name of the notes are C, A, D, A. And to play measure number 8, we need to bring finger number 3 to string number 6, fret number 3, remove the other fingers, and play string number 6 with the thumb, and string number 3 open with the middle finger, simultaneously. That's the first half of the lesson. To play measure number 9, we need to have finger number 1 on string 1, fret 1, and we're going to use open fourth, open third, and open second. We play simultaneously fourth and first, then third with the index, and second string with the middle. We add finger 4 on string 1, fret 3, and play it with the ring finger. I'm going to play it again. Measure number 10, we bring finger 2 to string 4, fret 2, remove finger 3, and play at the same time strings number 4 and 1. We bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and play at the same time strings number 2 and 3 twice. I'm going to play measures number 9 and 10 consecutively because by themselves they don't make a lot of sense. I think it's better to have them paired up. So measure number 9 and 10. Yes. Measure number 11. We bring our only available fingers, 3 and 4, to fret number 3. Finger 4 goes on string 4, and finger 4 goes to string number 2, both on fret number 3. The right hand plays thumb and middle at the same time, index, middle, ring. That's measure 11, and then measure 12. Finger 1 goes to string number 2, fret number 1, and finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2. We play at the same time thumb and middle fingers, then index by itself, and then thumb by itself. I'm going to play measures 11 and 12 together, consecutively. And then we move on to measure 13. We are going to need a C major chord, that is finger 3, string 5, fret 3, finger 2, string 4, fret 2, open third, and finger 1 on string number 2, fret number 1. Right hand plays thumb, index, middle, ring. We are going to keep finger 1 right where we have it, and we're going to bring finger number 2 to string number 3, and finger number 3 to string number 4. The thumb is going to play open 5th, index the 4th, middle finger the 3rd, and ring finger the 2nd string. I'm going to play measure 13 and 14. Which leads to measure 15. We bring finger 3 from string 4 to string 6, same fret, number 3. We remove the other fingers and we play string number 6 with the thumb, string number 3 with the index finger, string number 1 with the ring finger. We change the position of the left hand, remove finger 3, bring finger 2 to string 5, fret 2, finger 4 to string 2, fret 3, play it simultaneously with thumb and middle, and then to finish the lesson, we bring finger 3 to string 5, fret 3, remove the other fingers, and finger 1 to string number 2, fret 1, and play simultaneously strings 5 and 2. And that is lesson 56. I hope the video has been useful for you. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, be free to leave them in the comment section below. I'm Eric, your guitar professor. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Keep the practice fun and enjoy the process.